Hello guys, welcome back to Manu CACC classes. And today again, I'm back with a brand new video on Excel tips and tricks. And in today's video, we'll be discussing on learning on advanced filter. So, as you all are aware of filter, how what does it do, and how can we use advanced filter that we will be learning in this video. So, as you can see on the have this category column, and then we have subcategory column. Under sub in the category column we have furniture, we have office supplies, right? We have technology, and under those all category there is subcategories as well. We have different, for example, in furniture we have bookcases or chairs, then we have tables, right? These are the things that we have that is available here in this data set, right? And what we want to do is for all the category, whatever we want to filter out the subcategory fields here, right? So how can we do that? So let's see how can we use our Excel formula filter. So we'll use filter formula to do this. So I'll click on filter, and then I'll select the array that I want to filter out. So this is my array, and I'll select this and I'll press F4 to lock this. And then I'll select this array where I have my category subheadings. Then I'll also lock this using $sign, and then I'll select the category field. So basically, this will be equals to, right, equals to my field. So now I'll just enter this and see all the subcategory items that are under furniture is available now here. So what you can do is just copy paste this formula here in the office supplies. All the subcategory under office supply also available here now. You can filter this, and also in technology. So very easy to use this technique of advanced filter, right? So please use this filter in your reports, in your day-to-day working, and let us know in the comment section how do you feel, how this has been helpful to you. Also, for awesome videos, please like, share, and subscribe to our channel, Manu ACC classes. And till then, next time, I'll see you. Bye bye.